Well done, Year 11. Good luck for the future. What a very strange year. You've handled yourselves magnificently, and I wish you all the very best for the future. Take care.
Good luck, Year 11. Whatever you do, wherever you go, best of luck. It's been a bit of a weird school year, but you've managed to come through at the end. I've got all your exam papers to mark. Hope your grades are what you need for where you go, and pop back in and see us and let us know how you're doing.
Good luck, pal. Come on in. Year 11, all the best in your next adventure. Blue on me!
And I'm wishing you all the very best. I know I only taught a small amount of you for GCSE, but most of you have come through our doors one time or another back in year 7 and 8. Keep cooking, live strong, live healthy, have a great time. Take care. Bye.
Okay, good luck for the future, Year 11. I can't believe that you're in Year 11 already and you're already leaving. I still remember that first day, how small you all were when you came in. But well done for making it through this really tough time. You're forever going to be talking about the resilience that you have developed during this period of time, and you've done a fantastic job of it. Good luck for the future. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you all back here soon. Come to sixth form or pop in and say hello.
Hi Year 11, best of luck for the future.
Field look.
What do you want from us?
Good luck next year, Year 11. Special hello to all those excellent kids that have taken French the past few years, and a special hello to 11A. Good luck for the future, and I will miss James Corden Fridays. I'm going to keep watching them without you.
Hi Year 11s, congratulations on going through a really, really tough year. Gonna miss you all. Make sure you all keep in touch. See you now.
This is Year 11. Make sure you work through a long list of bucket list of things to do. Get out there, enjoy, have lots of great adventures.
Best Year 11, wishing you lots of luck, have a great summer, and hope to see loads of you back here for the sixth form.
All the best Year 11, hoping to see some of you back here for sixth form. Good luck for the future. I hope you've enjoyed your time at Llanishen.
Good luck Year 11, wishing you all the best in the future, and hopefully see you all, well not all of you, but some of you in sixth form. Take care.
Good luck Year 11, it's been a pleasure to teach you over the last couple of years. Very best for the future, and hopefully looking forward to seeing you back for sixth form.
Hi Year 11, it's been a pleasure knowing you the past 5 years. All the best for the future, take care.
Good morning Year 11, this is just a short message to say good luck in future whatever you do. You've been fabulous. I've done 3 years of rotation on 5 years of Year 11s, 7 to 11, and my form literally is my most favourite I've done. To my form, I love you all, some more than others, some less than others. You've been wonderful, you've been amazing, you know where I am, you know my email address if you need me. As always, as I've done for the past 5 years, come and find me, come and see me or email me. Love you all.
Morning 11E, wishing you all the best for the future. You haven't been with me for very long and I know I've shared you, but I've loved our little sessions in the morning. I shall miss Alisane's political talk immensely, and Tristan always trying to find the best in people. So good luck to you all.
Good luck, good riddance to bad rubbish. No, only joking, you're fine. Have fun.
Just want to wish you all the very best, Year 11. It's been an absolute pleasure to teach you all. Going to miss you all very much, and I just want to wish you all the very best for your futures.
Year 11, just wanted to wish you all the best in the future, whether you're staying at Llanishen High School or going on to college or going into the workplace. All the best. Good luck. Hope to see you soon.
Good luck for anything you do in the future, to all of you in 11D. You've all been my babies, and I've been so proud and honoured for you to watch you grow up through Llanishen High, and I just wish you all the happiness in the world when you leave.
Hi Year 11, just wishing you all the best for the future, and hopefully some of you good ones will come back to the sixth form for to do health and social care, also social and psychology. Good luck and well done.
Hello Year 11, all the very best after this year. Congratulations for making your way through it under difficult times. Well done, hope all goes well for you in the future.
nice to see you. You're going to be leaving soon, so enjoy your futures and all the very best. See you in sixth form, some of you. Okay, ta-ra.
Hi Year 11, I'm going to miss you guys so much. Seen you, since year 7, and I'm really going to miss you all. It's going to be strange not having you on a Friday afternoon. And yeah, well done on your 100% pass rate. Hopefully, if you pull your finger out this week, guys, you can all pass, yeah?
Year 11, Mr. Elliott here, wishing you all the best. Good luck for the future. Keep up the hard work and take care.
Year 11, to those of you who are leaving us and to those of you who are coming back, well done for your resilience during the last 12 or 18 months, and all the best for the future for those I won't see again. Bye.
Year 11, good luck to everybody. Just remember, school days are not the best years of your life, so go and have a successful and happy future, and I wish you all the best.
Hi all Year 11, I wish you all the best for the future. We will miss you, but enjoy the rest of your life.
Bore da, blwyddyn 11. I'd like to say you've all been a pleasure, but I think most of you have. Well done, I'm sure you'll have a really good set of results. It's been a difficult time and most of you have done really well with all of it in difficult times, but just to say, pob luck, good luck with the rest. Diolch.
Hello Year 11, thank you very much for the laughs and the good times and the bad times, but it's certainly been enjoyable and I wish you the very best of luck for the future in whatever you may decide to do.
11, good luck for the future, all the best, and hope everything goes well for you.
Hi Year 11, how are you? Okay, just wishing you the very best of luck, okay, moving forward and going on to do whatever you do, whether it be coming back to school, whether it be going to college or to a different establishment or apprenticeship, whatever it is. But don't forget, we're always here, okay, so if you need any help or support, please get in touch. And yeah, don't forget us. Good luck and hope it all goes well for you.
Good luck to everybody in Year 11. It's been a pleasure working with you over the last 5 years. Lots of success in whatever your chosen pathway is next year. Stay safe and keep in touch. Thank you.
Good luck to all of Year 11 and of course especially the best form in the year group 11C. You've been a fantastic form and in the words of Hannah Montana, I will never forget you. Thank you.
Hello Year 11, good luck to all of you. I wish you all the best in your future, whether you're staying or whether you're leaving. For my English class, you know how I've grown to become very, very fond of you. In fact, here I am marking your assessments now, and how nice it is to see that you've all done so well. I'm very proud of all of you, but for all of you in the year group, I wish you every success. Take care.